Okay, today here I'll be showing you Lego. This is the Lego truck police. This is the guy, and this is the other one, including with the box. And the guy on the motorbike, and that guy, and he is the criminal. That guy runs away. That guy runs away. That guy chases. This guy is Goofy. This guy over here, the hobo, and these are some laptops, and the rubber is being most wanted. We have to go get him. You can move this around. And you can put the guy back in the truck, which he will do right now. Put him back in the truck. Oh, you break it! What are you doing? Oh, you pig. No. Wait.
Sorry about that. We just have to fix something.
And sometimes it'll be hard for you to take it out, or some pieces might break off, but it doesn't, never mind. And inside here is some things that you could stop the car and stop things, helmets and all that. And
at the back of the truck is where the cell, the jail is.
you see this goofus in here. You see here.
They just chuck him in there.
Yeah,
And he's
also.
It's included.
Also, you can stand it. Yeah,
and there's a microphone glass and
microphone glass thing
the
over there.
handcuffs and torch.
And there's a coffee machine down there, and you can close it up and put the people inside. And yeah, that's all we've been talking about. See ya.